back to Vantastic 2021. NZ, we've got some big hitters tonight. What do you reckon?
Yeah, good evening once again. Hey, look, I reckon it's going to be a hard fight for the two final spots tonight. I've spoken to all four van drivers and they are hungry for a win.
Bring the racing on, I say. Let's have a look at our competitors for tonight.
First up tonight, we have our Scottish mate Diecast Dragger. He's driving the transit van for Aussie builder Cut Rock Racing, a truly international team right there. And my personal favourite, Grey Wizard from Golden Hour Racing, in that beat-up looking rocket of a van called Spaced Out Spoiler Sport.
Driving the yellow Johnny Lightning is Milo Cortez for Power Drive Racing. This has Blackfire tyres weighing 86 grams. And taking up the last position is Marty McFrance, driving for 100 Proof Racing in frickin' Morty van. This one's weighing 100 grams.
There is not one van similar in any way, shape or form tonight. You've got a Wedge, you've got Blackfire tyres, you've got a Postie van, you've got a frickin' Morty van. Let's just go racing and see what happens.
NZ, we have a situation. We have two tied vans, Diecast Dagger driving for Cut Rock Racing and Grey Wizard for Golden Hour Racing.
Both these vans are great builds and they're so equally matched, and now they're going to race each other for a spot in the finals. Mate, I'm just going to close my eyes. I can't watch this. Just let me know what happens, will you?
Yes, this is the do or die situation right here. It's the first one to cross the line, goes through to the finals. Waiting on the green light, and here we go.
Yeah, okay, I lied. I watched it. Come on, turn one was decided, I think, in this race, with Diecast Dragger leaving a slight gap. Grey Wizard saw it and just punched through for the win.
An unfortunate race there for Team Cut Rock Racing. He had the advantage coming out of turn one, but just going him backwards into turn two put him right out of contention.
A good positive spin on this is the two most aerodynamic vans had to fight each other to get into the finals tonight.
Well, securing another spot in the finals is 100 Proof Racing. Marty McFrance behind the wheel of the frickin' Morty van.
And here we have Grey Wizard from Golden Hour Racing, who secured a win in the sudden death to go through the finals. Well done, mate.
Okay, and Zed, let's have a look at the highlights for tonight. There's some crackers, I've got to tell you.
Semi-5 was truly an international event tonight, and we're going to say goodbye to a few teams, and one of them is Power Drive Racing from the USA and Cut Rock Racing from Australia. Thanks for coming, guys. You put on a great show tonight.
Yeah, that's right, NZ. A really sensational night of racing right here on Shorty in Vantastic 2021. There can only be two that go through, unfortunately, and the other two have to go home, but that is Diecast Racing. Thanks again, NZ, for your wonderful insight and commentary in this series. Until next time, everyone, we'll see you back on the track for semi-final 6.